Ferrous sulfate forms brown ring with the NO. How it will form the brown ring with NO? I'll explain now. In qualitative analysis, the presence of nitrate ion is detected by brown ring test. In this test, a freshly prepared solution of ferrous sulfate is added to the aqueous solution of nitrate. In this test, brown ring test, a freshly prepared solution of ferrous sulfate is added to the aqueous solution of a nitrate, and then pure concentrated H2SO4 is added carefully dropwise along the walls of the test tube. That leads to the appearance of a dark brown ring at the junction of the two layers indicates the presence of a nitrate ion. The appearance of the dark brown ring at the junctions of the two layers indicates the presence of a nitrate ion. And in this brown ring test, brown ring test for nitrates depends upon the brown ring test for nitrates depends upon the ability of Fe+2 ions to reduce nitrate ions to nitric oxide. The ability of Fe+2 ions to reduce nitrate ions to nitric oxide, which then reacts with Fe+2 ions to form brown colored complex. So in this brown rings test, nitrate ions are reduced to nitric oxide by Fe+2, and then that nitric oxide combines with or reacts with Fe+2 ions to form the brown colored complex. The reaction is nitrate ion NO3 minus plus Fe+2 aqueous plus 4H plus aqueous gives rise to NO gas plus 3Fe+3 aqueous plus 2H2O liquid. So we can observe in this reaction Fe+2 ions are reducing the nitrate ions to nitric oxide, and then this nitric oxide reacts with the Fe+2 ions to form brown colored complex. Fe plus H2O5 NO plus 2 plus H2O. This is the brown colored complex what we are getting. Brown complex. The color of the complex is actually due to charge transfer. The brown color of the complex is actually due to charge transfer. That is, an electron is transferred from NO to Fe+2 ion. One electron is transferred from NO nitric oxide to Fe+2 ion. As a result, this complex formally contains iron in +1 state and NO plus nitrosonium ion. NO plus is nitrosonium ion. Consequently, the correct name of this complex is penta-aqua nitrosonium iron 1 and not penta-aqua nitrosyl iron 2. The correct name of this complex is penta-aqua nitrosonium iron 1. This is the correct name of this brown colored complex.